We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we give you a new shutoff valve and new connectors, stainless steel, Pop-in stainless steel connectors down to brass extension pieces. Hot side, no valve, not required, but an adapter and a new connector down to the brass extension. And then, of course, relief valve up there came with the water heater, and then another line down to the existing drain in the wall. So that's all good. Brand new venting up into the ceiling bucket, just one offset 90, and then of course adjustable 90, and then of course just a piece of pipe going up into the existing ceiling bucket. Upper third you got adjustable straps, lower third you got the adjustable straps. Down here we gave you a new gas shutoff valve and a new gas connector. So everything's been replaced outside of the wall, and right now it's lit. You got hot is approximately 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. You can see right here scalding risk increases with hotter water, so be mindful of that. 120 is plenty. If you decide you want to turn it up 130, 140, be mindful of that, because at 140 you got 30-degree burns in 3 seconds. So anyways, we leave it there and videotape it. About 45 minutes to an hour you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.